A young woman walked into a library one quiet afternoon and was never seen again. But here's the twist. Security cameras did show her leaving hours later. So where did she really go? Stay until the end to discover the truth. Sarah loved books. Every Saturday, she visited the old library in her town. One day, she found a strange book with no title. The cover was black, dusty, and very old. She opened the book. Inside, there was only one sentence. "Read this aloud if you dare." Sarah felt curious. She read the words slowly. Suddenly, the room became cold. The lights started flickering. Then, she heard a quiet whisper behind her. "Who's there?" Sarah asked, but nobody answered. She looked around. The library was completely empty. Even the librarian was gone. Sarah walked to the door, but it was locked. She tried calling someone, but her phone had no signal. Then she saw something strange. A shadow moved across the wall. But there was nobody there. The shadow pointed at the book. Sarah understood. She needed to close the book. She ran back and closed it quickly. Immediately, everything changed. The lights stopped flickering. The door unlocked. The librarian was suddenly back at the desk, acting like nothing happened. Sarah left the library and never touched that book again. But sometimes, late at night, she still hears that whisper in her dreams. Great! Now, let's look closely at 4 key English words from today's story. Listen carefully and repeat after me if you can. Flickering. When lights turn on and off quickly. Example 1. The candle was flickering in the wind. Example 2. When the electricity is low, the lights in my house start flickering. Whisper. To speak very quietly. Example 1. She whispered the secret to her friend. Example 2. In the library, you should always whisper to avoid disturbing others. Dare. To be brave enough to do something. Example 1. Do you dare to watch a horror movie alone? Example 2. She didn't dare to swim in the cold river. Shadow. A dark shape made when something blocks the light. Example 1. A shadow moved behind the door. Example 2. The tall building cast a long shadow on the street. Now it's your turn. Can you make a sentence using the word shadow? Try it now. It's time to test your listening skills. I will ask 3 questions. Answer before the chime. Question 1. What did Sarah find in the library? A. A mysterious painting. B. A book with no title. C. A hidden room. Answer. B. A book with no title. Question 2. When Sarah read the sentence, what happened to the room? Answer. The room became cold, and the lights started flickering. Question 3. What was the only sentence written inside the mysterious book? Answer. Read this aloud if you dare. Did you get all 3 correct? Tell me your score in the comments. Thank you for watching today's story. If you enjoyed this mystery, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. And tell me in the comments, what do you think would have happened if Sarah didn't close the book? I'd love to read your theories. Stay curious, stay brave, and keep practicing your English every day.